A truly beautiful home should be attractive inside and out. However, air pollutants retained in your house such as CO2, VOC, dust, garbage smell and moisture could affect your comfort and health, as well as shorten the durability of the house. To protect you and your home from various forms of air pollutants, KDK Direct Current Ceiling Mount Ventilating Fan is what you need. With the fan running, outdoor air enters the clean zones such as the living room and the bedroom, while polluted indoor air is extracted from the house, passing through dirty zones like the bathroom. The fan also offers you two different ventilation modes. 24-hour ventilation targets the whole residence. It would run continuously with gentle extraction over a 24-hour period. Spot ventilation, on the other hand, can help remove concentrated pollutants, such as smoke and smells, directly from one specific spot. The air volume in this mode is much more powerful and is meant to run for a relatively shorter period. KDK Direct Current Ceiling Mount Ventilation Fan is what you can count on for refreshed air in the house. Each fan is composed of 7 key components, enabling the operation of several major features. With the DC motor, power consumption can be reduced, which helps save energy. Compared to an AC, alternative current motor, a DC motor has a lower temperature rise and thus a longer lifespan. When both energy consumption and operation costs can be lowered, 24-hour ventilation becomes feasible. With motion sensor, the fan can be switched to high speed or on automatically when you enter the room, and switch to low speed or turn itself off when you leave. Together with a delay timer and variable speed functions, the fan can have a customized operation pattern that suits your need and preference. The resonance noise absorption structure minimizes transmission of noise from the blower to exterior, through which the operation noise is effectively absorbed and reduced between the double orifice and casing. As for the characteristics of ducted ventilation products, air volume shrinks and ventilating efficiency drops as the travel distance is extended. To ensure rated airflow, the constant airflow technology is introduced to allow the fan to perform at a consistent airflow velocity, regardless of elbows or duct length. With this feature, the speed is automatically increased to overcome the static pressure. KDK Direct Current Ceiling Mount Ventilating Fan is your one-stop solution for cleaner air at your beautiful home.